How to change IG password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change IG password, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to change the Instagram password, open up the Instagram application here. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, then tap on the three lines option from the top right. Go to Account Center from the very top. Go to Password and Security from Account Settings. Then go to Change Password, select your Instagram account. Enter your current password, enter the new password you want to change to, retype the new password. You can choose to log out of other devices, then just tap on the Change Password to change your IG password. Now if you forgot your password, you can tap on Forgotten your password if you want to reset and if you don't remember your current password. But to give you a basic idea, this is the way on how you can change the IG password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.